Tripura supporters of Khowai, TISF and TSF set on an indefinite road blockade of Khowai-Agartala road at Khowai Belphang area on Monday morning, as it was decided previously. EM Suhel Debbarma was present at the site of the blockade. Various roads of the state was blocked on Monday in the demand of Roman script. Likewise, railways were also blocked on this day. As a result, local trains were stuck in the halfway. Likewise, on this day, numbers of roads were blocked, and also on this day, Tripura supporters of Khowai, TISF and TSF set on an indefinite road blockade of Khowai-Agartala road at Khowai Belphang area on Monday morning, as it was decided previously. EM Suhel Debbarma was present at the site of the blockade. Along with the EM Suhel Debbarma, the TISF member of Khowai were also present. Later, during the interaction with the media, EM Suhel Debbarma said,
Chini Ramsar constituency mission khobjak Chini Belphang kami ojo chung tini road block khali tango chung Chini je Roman script je Chini student ongno je Roman script simaya Bangla script sinan je force khale mani obon te Chini khadomani eba chung Chini justice manan bai chung tinoro joto Chini leaders of TISF bongthum Chini am chung joto leaders of chung tinoro ongkhlaijak tang ke chung je maya sak eba Chini je demand no chung maya sak permanent solution maya sak chung tinoro chung tikas
যদি ন অম হাইকে চাকা জাম খাইব কোনো সাকসেস ইনি হাঙ্গে নেক্সট স্টেপ বাহে না হাজাং
next state te kuning finai sangabo saka high level decision nanai jeng tawfana jeng je sin demand ko sesong jeng continue jeng indefinite period ni bagai jeng tin strike nai ajeng.
Likewise, EM Suhel Debbarma further said that until and unless their demands are not fulfilled, this road blockade will not be lifted. Reported by Biplav from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.